Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Portuguese cornbread. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, then move on to mixing and kneading the dough until it's just right. Next, we'll cover the crucial steps for its first rise and shaping. Finally, I'll guide you through baking your beautiful loaf to golden perfection, ensuring a truly authentic and delicious experience for everyone to enjoy. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of fine cornmeal and 1½ cups of all-purpose wheat flour. Don't forget 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a small pinch of sugar to help activate the yeast. You'll also need 1½ cups of warm water, ideally around 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Accurate measurements are key for a perfect loaf. Now let's mix and knead. In a large bowl, combine your cornmeal, flour, salt, and sugar. In a separate bowl, dissolve the yeast in the warm water and let it sit for about 5 minutes until it's foamy. Gradually pour the yeast mixture into your dry ingredients, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto a floured surface and knead for 10 to 15 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. After kneading, place your dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1½ hours or until doubled. Once risen, gently shape it into your desired loaf. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the bread for 40 to 50 minutes or until it's a beautiful golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. Let it cool completely before slicing and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.